a couple of.
Hang on, should we thank our speakers first?
Oh, of course,
yeah,
of course.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to move into our final little session here, closing remarks. But first, we'd all like to thank you so much for that wonderful talk.
Yeah, thank
you. Great.
Very inspiring.
Yeah,
very inspiring.
Very much so.
Yeah. So I wanted to mention, Yvonne alluded to some of the numbers earlier in terms of what we were seeing, from time to time. Roughly about 150, 160 participants at any one time, sometimes a little bit less. But some of our technical folks did an analysis of the numbers. It turns out that in terms of unique visitors, there were actually over 500 unique visitors to this conference. It reminds me a little bit of the way I attend a conference. Personally, I would go in, watch a couple of talks, get inspired, go out, end up chatting for a couple of hours, miss some great talks, but I think that's just the way people are. And I also wanted to share an anecdote with everyone from a hub, one of the hubs. I heard about this yesterday, and evidently there was quite a bit of discussion after the end of one of our days of the forum, and people were looking at past talks and and analyzing things and coming up with ideas for new investigations, and right. So at least the hubs are getting people together. So the statistics are a little bit better than we were originally thinking. We're happy. They're promising. Right. And I have one last thing that I want to say, just to encourage everyone to please fill out the survey when you get it. It's almost done. We will probably be sending it out sometime tomorrow. So we look forward very much to your honest feedback.
Right, and I don't think anyone needs to worry too much about us doing too good a job with this. At one time, I actually said that myself. I said, oh no, our biggest worry is if we're so successful, maybe NASA will never want to go back to in-person meetings. But the truth is, there is a component to this that the best virtual forum can never replace. And absolutely everybody understands that. So what we're looking for are those areas where virtual seminars, virtual conferences make sense, and then how can we make those as robust and good as possible. So your feedback on this survey showing us what we can do better and what we're already doing well is going to help us zoom in on those types. And it is not to replace all in-person conferences forever. I'm virtually positive that there isn't anybody alive who thinks that that should happen. So please answer your survey and however you feel, and we will use that data in the best way possible.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. And now we would like to bring everybody up, our entire staff. We would like to bring them all up here so that you can see them and see the tremendous group. They've put so much effort into this, working late nights and weekends, and a tech team that thought about all kinds of problems and tried to solve them ahead of time, and then solved many more of them on the spot while you were here. So, and Greg Schmidt led that tech team, so I would really like to thank him again. I told you that at the beginning, but I'd like to say it one more time. And we would just like to thank you now and end our 6th virtual Lunar Science Forum.
Yeah, thanks so much, everyone, for
Great.
Okay. The forum is
now closed.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.